Oh, hello. You want to come down? Or are you just happy up there? Fine. Don't worry, bud. And we're off again. You want me to move around, don't you? That's it. Like, onward, slave. Sorry, bed. It's actually more difficult than it looks. I'm trying to keep you in frame on my phone whilst looking where I'm walking because there's things everywhere. Whilst balancing you on my head. Oh, he wants to go again. It feels so strange because he digs his toes and toenails into the back of my head when he's trying to balance. Oh, he's like so into. Oh, there we go. And you land on your cage. Say goodbye to everybody.